So, welcome back to Buzzword Breakdown, the series where telecom meets the future. Today's buzzword is something you might have heard in manufacturing or smart cities: digital twin. What does it mean in the telecom world? To help us understand, we've got Kostas from DOCOMO Eurolabs.
Hi Claire, thanks for having me. Indeed, digital twins is one of the most promising ideas we are exploring towards 6G for the future of telecom networks.
Okay, so let's start. So, what exactly is a digital twin in telecom terms?
In simple words, a digital twin is a virtual replica of something, and in telecom networks, this something could be the entire network, or a component, or a service, or a device, or a connection, or even traffic flows recreated digitally in real time.
Okay, so it's like a simulation, or?
In principle, yes, but it's more than that. Traditional simulations are basically static, and you run them once and you get the results.
Yeah.
However, a digital twin is something live, continuously updated with real world data from the network. And that means it can mirror the operations, but also the actual state of the network or the device at any given moment. And when applied to the telecom network, we refer to it as a network digital twin.
Okay, but why go through all the trouble? Like, what's the point?
Because digital twins can let operators foresee the future and the impact of changes before they happen in the real production network. So this means, for example, we can simulate how adding a new base station will improve coverage, or we can determine whether the current network can defend against events or possible future signal storms, or we can even simulate cyber attacks. So
it's like having a digital model of the network.
Exactly. More recently, if combined with AI/ML techniques, a digital twin can not only simulate the network behavior, but can be used also to predict and recommend optimal actions, depending on the use case, of course, that is investigated. And that's why it's becoming a very serious business and a very interesting discussion point for 6G.
Okay, I can imagine. So this is just an idea, or is it already in the 3GPP playbook?
3GPP has already started exploring the concept. In fact, there is already published technical report. It's 28915, investigating different use cases where digital twins can be used. And also we have a technical specification, is 28561, where already normative provisions have been described.
Okay, and why should business leaders care about digital twin in telecom?
Actually, digital twins can be used to save time and money and resources, and imagine reducing downtime by predicting failures or planning expansions without expensive trial and errors. So, from an environmental perspective as well, digital twins can be used to design greener networks by optimizing energy efficiency and energy use before we deploy the changes.
Okay, sounds like operators benefit a lot. But what about the end users, like me, for example? Do they notice any difference?
Actually, the end users, they don't understand that a digital twin is used by the telecom operator. However, a digital twin can help operators to detect failures or bad performance. So from that perspective, the end users can experience fewer drops of calls or smoother video streaming and more consistent experience overall. So from that perspective, there is an impact of the use of digital twins.
Okay, cool. So a digital twin in telecom is basically your network's living mirror, letting you test, predict, and optimize before making real changes.
Yeah, that's right. And as networks get more complex and more intelligent in 6G, that mirror will become an essential tool used by telecom operators.
Perfect, thank you for that. So next time we're breaking down another buzzword, of course. Until then, keep your networks switched on. Bye-bye.